Hi, glad you could join me for this 1 minute on the difference between eating the fat that we used to eat and the fat that we eat now, and why I believe, and so does Chris Knobbe, believe that oils are really, really, really dangerous for us. That's margarines and cooking oils, vegetable oils. Just have a look at this.
This is. So 1900, 99% of our fats came from animal fat, lard, butter, beef tallow, and suet, essentially. But by 2005, 86% of added fats came from vegetable oils. And notice, the vegetable oils are still going up, right? Look at the vegetable oil in black versus the heart disease deaths in red, right? Everybody see a remarkable correlation?